Hi, hello, welcome to my channel, The White Coat. This is Bhavya. In this video, we're going to discuss about the topic heart sounds. What is heart sound? The sound that is produced by the heart during a cardiac cycle due to closure of heart valves. It is detected and heard with the help of stethoscope, and the instrument used is called phonocardiograph. Types of heart sounds. There are four types: first, second, third, and fourth heart sound. Now let's talk about first heart sound, which is also called as S1. Generated due to closure of atrioventricular valve, that is tricuspid and mitral valve, which occurs at beginning of ventricular systole. It is heard dull and prolonged. The sound is described as lub. Frequency 30 to 80 cps, that is count per second. Duration is from 0.09 to 0.16 second. The average is 0.14 seconds. Significance, which indicates ventricular systole, condition of myocardium, compliance of atrioventricular valves. Now let's talk about second heart sound, that is S2, which is generated due to closure of semilunar valve, that is pulmonary and aortic valve, which occurs at end of ventricular systole. It is heard as sharp and short. The sound is described as the word dub. Frequency is 150 to 200 cps and the duration is 0.11 second. Significance, which indicates end of systole and beginning of diastole, and compliance of semilunar valves. Let's talk about the third heart sound, which is S3. It is heard occasionally. It is generated due to oscillation of the blood back towards the walls of the ventricle, and it is initiated by inrushing blood from atria, which occurs at the beginning of middle third of the diastole. The frequency is below 40 cps and the duration is 0.04 second. The third heart sound is benign in youth, athlete, and the pregnancy. Coming to significance, which indicates the beginning of the ventricular filling. The point to be noted, the third heart sound is heard as lub dub ta. It indicates the cardiac failure. Coming to last heart sound, which is fourth heart sound, which is also called as S4, which occurs when atria contracts. It is weak and rumbling, cannot be observed with stethoscope, and the instrument used to record is called phonocardiogram. The sound is similar to those of third heart sound. The frequency is 20 cps. Significance, which indicates end of ventricular filling and just occurs at before the first heart sound. I hope you guys have got some useful information from me today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next interesting video.